Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Arlo Doorbell cameras that many users encounter, the camera not saving videos properly. If you've noticed your Arlo Doorbell isn't recording or saving footage as it should, don't worry, we've got you covered with some troubleshooting steps to get it back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check device connectivity. The first thing to check is your device's connectivity. Make sure your Arlo Doorbell camera is connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal. Weak or intermittent connections can prevent the camera from saving videos correctly. Step 2. Verify subscription and cloud storage. Next, let's check your Arlo subscription and cloud storage. Ensure that your subscription plan includes cloud recording, as this is necessary for saving videos. Sometimes, subscription issues or storage limits can cause video saving problems. Step 3. Update firmware and app. It's essential to keep your Arlo Doorbell's firmware and the Arlo app itself up to date. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve issues like video not saving properly. Let's walk through how to check for and apply any available updates. Step 4. Adjust motion settings. Another potential culprit could be your motion settings. Incorrect sensitivity or detection zones might prevent the camera from triggering and saving recordings when it should. We'll show you how to adjust these settings to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Restart and reset the camera. If all else fails, a simple restart or reset of your Arlo Doorbell camera can often do the trick. We'll guide you through the steps to safely restart and, if necessary, factory reset the device to resolve persistent saving issues. Conclusion. And there you have it, our guide on how to fix your Arlo Doorbell camera when it's not saving videos. Remember, these troubleshooting steps should help you get your device back on track quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.